Understanding Land Contouring, an essential guide for beginners. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: land contouring. This concept is not only important in geography but also in various fields like agriculture and construction. Let's dive in and understand what land contouring truly means. Land contouring refers to the modification of the natural landscape. This process involves altering the shape of the land to achieve specific purposes, such as improving irrigation, reducing erosion, or making land suitable for construction. It's a technique used worldwide to optimize land use and protect the environment. Understanding land contouring is crucial because it directly impacts environmental management and agricultural practices. By contouring land, farmers can prevent soil erosion and efficiently manage water resources. In urban areas, contouring helps in planning and constructing buildings and roads in harmony with the natural landscape. Let's look at some real-world applications. 1. Terrace farming. This is a form of contouring used on hills and mountains to create flat areas for agriculture. 2. Leveling fields. In flatter regions, fields are contoured to improve irrigation and drainage. 3. Construction. In urban planning, contouring is essential for designing landscapes that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Land contouring is a meticulous process involving several steps. 1. Surveying the land. This is the initial assessment of the land's natural contours. 2. Planning. Deciding on the contouring method based on the land's characteristics. 3. Execution. Physically shaping the land using various tools and machinery. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of land contouring. It's a vital practice that shapes our environment and affects our daily lives, whether in agriculture, construction, or environmental conservation. Keep exploring and learning, and we'll see you in our next video.